Hi traders, welcome to the video. Please pause the video and make sure you understand the disclaimer before proceeding. Taking a look at Bitcoin. Alright, so I just got it open on the weekly. It's going to have a look back. We are trading into, yeah, look at this. This is a weekly level here, guys. Right there. Let's just mark that up as a level W. Trading into a weekly pivot. That's a significant resistance level, in my opinion. Let's just have a look at it on the daily. Right, you can see how the market's traded here frequently and respecting this level. So let's just take it down and consider some options. I'm looking at this a distribution level here, coincides with the higher time frame like this weekly pivot. We've got prior to this rally, we've got this level we could kind of double up, and it's touched pretty well, more or less to the pip by the looks of it. Don't you love the way the markets do that? Yeah, I'm considering shorting this if we see the setup, but something else to consider is this thin leg. So we have this imbalance through here. For those of you who are new to trading, an imbalance is where the market spikes or moves quickly with a lot of momentum and leaves a gap. So you can measure the imbalance, I guess, with pulling a line through the touch of the wicks on either side. And so we have this this gap here. And more often than not, we generally see the market trade back down to rebalance or to fill the gap and kind of look for, well, levels under. And if we have a look at this, we've got lower highs here, lower lows. So this is definitely trending bearish. Decent pullback. Now, if we look at the, I can't change charts really, but the stock markets, we had a pullback and starting to see them roll over as we traded into the London Open. So I'm just wondering whether we see more sell-off in the stock markets. Keep an eye on the tech stocks, the US 100. That's closely correlated, or Bitcoin's closely correlated. And I'm thinking possibly some more downside, but let's just take it down to the 30-minute. Yeah, you can see sort of looking a little bit tired. So this could break either way. At some stage, I would say it's going to trade back down, looking to fill this gap for sure. Given that we're in a bear market downtrend. So to get involved here, I'd like to see this low of this the order block here. I'd like to see a break, and we'll take that whole range, I guess. I'd like to see the break retest and fail of this, and that would get me involved. And then my target would be this low over here, something like that. That's what I'd be looking for. But wait for the setup. This could break either way, really, depending, and that could trade north. So, entry's going to be break, retest, and fail. Let's just have a look and see what we've got above here, though. It is a big level, and you can expect when, for example, go back out to the 4 hour, when it rallies like this and is overextended, you can expect there to be resting orders sitting at this level, resting sell orders. I would expect smart money would be looking to at least profit at this level. Right? So whether this has got enough momentum to push through and eat through these orders is anybody's guess. So wait for the setup, either the break, retest, and fail of either level. My bias is definitely heading in that direction. Okay, guys, that's it. This is my take on Bitcoin tonight. And yeah, make sure you click on the link below and join our free Discord group. With that, take care. See you in the next video.